Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to sign into your child's Google account if they are on a personal computer and not a school Chromebook. So open up your Google Chrome tab. It does work best with Google Chrome. And in the top corner you'll notice an image. For me it's my actual face. It might be an initial. You want to click on that picture and make sure and take a look at what the account is. For your child to access any information from school, like their Google Classroom, they need to make sure they are in their school account. Now, most likely, if this is a personal computer, this is your personal Gmail account. So to add a person, you want to scroll down to the Add button and click the plus sign, and you are going to add a person. This is a good thing to use if multiple people use a computer. And you definitely need to keep this separate from your personal information. So your next step is going to be to name this your school account and to pick an icon and select Add. Now, you're going to need to sign in. So all of our students are already Chrome users. They use Chrome at school. So we're going to click Already a Chrome User. And we're going to need to sign in as the student with their student ID number. So I have a sample one here. And we need to add at hopewell.k12.va.us. It's very important that this matches exactly at hopewell.k12.va.us, all lowercase. We're going to click Next. We're going to enter the student's password and click Next. Now, before you can continue, you need to choose the option to link data. This is connecting your child to their school account. So we need to link that information. So please be sure you click Link Data and turn on Sync. So select Yes, I'm in. Once there, you'll be able to see your students' Google links. They'll have their school bookmarks up here, K through 5 bookmarks, which will take them to Clever and to access those things that they need that are in Clever, like vocabulary and IXL and reading A to Z. This apps browser over here, the little grayed out 9 box right here, this is where students will be able to access things like Google Classroom and their Google Drive. So this way, students will be able to, if I click in Classroom here, they will be able to join any Google Classrooms created by their teachers. If students need to switch back to a personal or for someone else to use, they'll just choose this the same icon here, and then switch back to the other person that needed to use the account. That way, school information doesn't blend with private information. I hope this helps.